Slow.
Good there, huh?
Thanks, sir.
Alrighty guys, today we've got this 3.5 rooftop gas pack unit to set and install. I'm gonna turn that breaker off. This should have been the first thing we did. Should be that one. We'll double check right now when we get up there with the meter. Double check. Yeah. Good. Get these wires disconnected here. There's one. There's another. There's the third. Now we should do our gas. Let's close it. This guy. I'll try it with this one.
Lefty Lucy.
I'll get it one day.
Righty tighty.
Maybe too big.
Cool.
Alrighty guys, the current's here. Move all of our shit out of the way. There. This can go in here for now. Boom, boom. Alright.
Now it's gonna rip it. Elbow off.
Yeah.
Down a little bit.
Hold on. Slow.
Pretty good there, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, it looks.
Gonna sit on top of the rails, but it looks really. Are you on top?
Yeah, I'm on top.
Thanks, sir.
It's good right here.
Yeah, I'll get him.
Alrighty. That's that. Let's go back up. Get started on the electrical and all that good stuff.
You got it, dude?
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
It's perfect. Check it out.
Oh my god.
So it has a.
Oh yeah.
That's the 44 pocket?
No, this one's smaller, I think. Yeah, this one's a little smaller.
That one's better because the backpacks that are a little bit bigger, they get too damn heavy. 'Cause
Yeah.
you put too much crap in them.
Yeah, that's another thing I thought about too. One. Get this last one. We don't take M12 Slander over here. This thing's a beast. Nope. Slow your roll. Huh. They were trying to use my new brush. I said nope. Get all the dust off. Gotta keep the camera in the shade, it's gonna keep overheating.
Yeah.
Just give that a nice little fold. Okay. Let's get our makeshift swedger, swedge this down. Adjust that a little bit. Oh shit. this. And for the disconnect, we've got like a grommet here. So this will never be rubbing on any metal. There won't be any shorts or nothing. So. What if we ran the conduit up here?
I was thinking externally, like you were saying, and puts in those same screws that hold the lid on.
Yeah, there you go.
Because those won't hurt enough to the back of that panel right there.
Yeah,
I mean,
that'd work. With the,
that's one of the only ways you could do it, because it's either gonna be that or my dreams. I've never ran one up top. This is the very first one.
Okay. There we go.
Your needle nose will give, they kind of give on you a little bit.
Yeah.
And you could also do like with here, the leverage.
What?
And if you have to, you can cut it in two.
Okay.
And then it's easier to put with this tool.
Yeah. Okay.
You got a lot more leverage.
More bite force.
Yeah, the other one.
I don't get to use this one very often. This one here. So I'm gonna use it now. That's perfect. There we go. Yeah. I'm going nowhere.
What's it called? Speed up. Yeah, so they put on an aftermarket time delay.